Good morning, students. Welcome to your online sessions. Today, there are some important notices, so kindly pay attention. Students, you need to be regular to the lessons and complete the assignments regularly on Google Form, which are very important for you, as very soon your online examinations will be conducted. For that, attendance is very important aspect. I request you to inform your friends who have not joined the Google Classroom to join it to the earliest. In case any kind of problem regarding any technical issue, they should contact the office through SGA chat, Telegram, or the school phone number, that is 9415 or they can send email as well. That's all for the notices. Now students, let's come down to studies. Our today's topic in chemistry is atoms and molecules. What are atoms? Definition: an atom is the smallest indivisible unit of elements which possesses all the properties of that element. Over here, there is a word indivisible. What does indivisible mean? It means which cannot be divided further. It means atom is so small. It is so small that you cannot or it cannot be divided further into smaller units. An atom is the smallest unit of elements, and these atom possesses all the properties of that particular elements. Properties of atom. First, atoms of most elements are reactive. They combine with the elements of same type or different types. They do not exist freely. So atoms are very reactive. They can join with another atom very easily. Why? Because they cannot exist freely. An atom cannot exist as a single particle. So they need to combine with another atom for their existence, except the atom of noble gases. They do not combine with any other atom. What are noble gases? Helium, argon, neon, krypton. Their atom do not combine with another atom. But except noble gases, all other atoms are very reactive and they combine with another atom. Second, all the atoms of an element are similar. So if we take one element, example oxygen is an element. In this element, all the atoms will be similar to each other. Third, the atoms of an element is different from atom of another element. Now, atom of this element oxygen, they will be different from atoms of another element which is hydrogen. So all the elements oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, they all will have their different atoms. Fourth, atom does not change its property irrespective of physical or chemical change. So no matter there is a physical change or there is a chemical change, any kind of change, the atom will not change its properties. The properties of the atom will remain the same. So these are the properties of atoms. Next topic is molecule. A molecule is the smallest unit of an element or a compound that has independent existence. So what is a molecule? Now this is also the smallest unit of element or a compound, and this molecule can exist independently. There can be an existence of a single molecule, but there cannot be any existence of a single atom. It exhibits all the property of that element or compound. Properties of molecule. First, they are formed by combination of same elements or different elements. So how a molecule will be formed? By same element. Combination of same element means H plus H will form a molecule H2, or different elements H plus O. H2 plus O will form H2O. This will be a molecule of water. So either same elements can combine to form a molecule or different elements can combine to form a molecule. Second, molecule is the smallest particle of an compound which has independent existence. This I have already told you. In a compound, the smallest particle will be molecule, and which can exist freely. A single molecule can exist freely. It has atoms of different elements which are combined in a fixed ratio. Now, if I take example of a water molecule H2O, why do we write 2 after H? What does 2 represent here? It represents the number of atom of hydrogen element. So in this there are two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. So the number of atom of hydrogen is 2, number of atom of oxygen is 1, and the ratio that I have already taught you, the ratio will be 2 is to 1. So a molecule always combine in elements and there exists a fixed ratio. The combining force of an atom in a molecule is called chemical bond. How these atoms combine with each other, that force, that bond is called as chemical bond. The molecules of a compound can be broken down into its constituent element. Now example again I take of water molecule H2O. Over here again there are two elements H and O. If you want, you can separate H hydrogen and O oxygen separately. You can separate these two elements in a molecule. Like elements, molecule is denoted by a chemical formula. Now what is a chemical formula? We will study further. Molecules of an element. The molecule of an element are formed when two or more atoms of same elements combine together. How does a molecule of an element form? Now example, H plus H will make H2. Example 1. Two atoms of hydrogen combine to form one molecule of hydrogen, H2. This H2 is a molecule of an element. One more example. 8 atoms of sulfur combine to form one molecule of sulfur, that is S8. So S plus S plus S plus S 8 times gives one molecule of sulfur. The formula is S8. So these are the molecule of element in which single element is combining. Same element is combining. H is combining with H. S is combining with S. O. If I give you one more example, O plus O will make a molecule O2. Here also O is combining with O. Molecules of compound. A molecule of a compound is formed when atom of two or more different elements combine in a fixed proportion. Example, how a molecule of a compound will form? Over here same elements will not combine. Over here different elements will combine. Example, 2 atoms of hydrogen H2 plus 1 atom of oxygen plus O will give H2O. This H2O is a molecule of a compound. Similarly, the molecule of carbon dioxide is formed by 2 atoms of oxygen O2 plus 1 atom of carbon plus C gives CO2. This is the formula of CO2 or carbon dioxide. So in a compound different elements are combining. In a molecule of elements same elements are combining. Difference between atoms and molecules. Atoms. An atom is the smallest particle of an element, only element, whereas a molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound. Atom does not exist in free state except in a noble gas. Molecule exists in free state. Atom, except some of noble gases, other atoms are highly reactive. They can form bond with another atom, but molecules are very less reactive. Atom does not have a chemical bond, but molecules, atom in a molecule are held by chemical bonds. So these are the difference between atom and molecules. That is all for today, children. Thank you. Do revise the previous topic. Clear your doubts, if any, in the comment section. Chapter will be continued. Have a good day.